Hey there. Ever wondered how we went from trading stuff like axes and wood to using money? Let's take a quick journey through the evolution of money. Back in the day, people bartered. Imagine person one has an axe and person two has wood. They swap and everyone's happy, right? But what if person one doesn't need wood and wants a knife instead? Now person two has to find someone with a knife who wants wood. Way too complicated. This is where the idea of a common denominator came in. Something everyone wants and accepts as a medium of exchange. And that's basically what money is. Different communities use different things as money. Some use cocoa seeds, others use seashells, and some even use cattle. The idea was to have something everyone could agree on, so trading became a whole lot easier. Fast forward to today, and each country has its own currency. Imagine we're using seashells as money. Now, instead of bartering, person two pays person one 2 seashells for his axe. When person one needs a knife, he pays person three in seashells too. Simple, right? Money revolutionized trade by acting as a universal medium of exchange. So next time you pull out a dollar or a euro or a yen, remember, it all started with the simple need to make trading smoother. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts. Catch you next time.